Hey fellow DIYers, today I want to show you how to make this beautiful macrame wall hanging. They're very hot in the interior design and I see them all around Pinterest, so I wanted to recreate one. Well, without further ado, let's get started. For this you will need a wooden stick or a wooden dowel, cotton rope, scissors, a comb and a ruler. To start, cut the length of cotton rope and fold it in half and then attach it to the stick, making a lark's head knot. To be doing this, all you have to do is put the loop above and under the stick and then pull the strings through the loop and then pull tight to secure it. Now measure a piece of rope 8 inches long and then cut another 39 pieces of the same length. You will end up with 40 pieces of rope to use for one feather. Now the fun part begins. Take a piece of the 8 inches long rope, fold it in half and place it underneath the longer piece of rope as I'm showing you here, guys. Then take another 8 inches of rope, fold this in half too and put it under the loop of the first one, pass it through and above the longer piece of rope and then take the end tails of the first rope and pull them up and through the loop of the second piece. And then take the ends of the ropes and pull them tight. Not hard, huh? Go on and use all 40 pieces and attach 20 rows of rope to the longer one. I had a very relaxing time doing this, guys. I put on my favorite music and enjoyed the process. There's nothing I can ever say to change. When you're finished, make a knot to the longer piece of rope to secure it. Then take a comb or a dog brush and brush out all the ropes. Guys, I have to confess, it was giving me a hard time, but as they say, if something doesn't work, then change your approach. So I did. I used the end point of the comb to unravel the ropes one by one, but it was very time consuming, so I had to change my approach again. This time I used 2 ropes to unravel each time. I found out that it was easier that way, so I kept up with this process. Again, I have to be honest, guys, it was time consuming, but the end result will pay you off, I promise. Maybe it won't happen to you, but I want you to be aware of that. After you unravel all the ropes, comb them and then you're gonna need to take your scissors and cut out a feather shape. Now, as you can see, I made another 2, and to create the feather shapes similar, I overlapped the first shape onto the other one and then cut the edges. There's nothing I can ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love, we've said goodbye. The final stage is to cut a long piece of rope, tie double knots to the right side of the stick and then to the left side. This is where you'll hang it from. Cut out the excess rope and there you have it. Now you hang it on your wall. I hang it on my bedroom wall above our TV and it's the first thing I see every time I open up my eyes in the morning, and it cheers me on, guys. If you think of that, it's unbelievable how something so simple turned out to something so beautiful. So, if you want more DIY videos on a low budget, consider subscribing, like this video and push the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And also don't forget to leave me a comment down below and share your thoughts on this DIY. I love you guys. I'll catch you on my next video. Have a nice day.